This is our wood touch sensor unit. In the circuit you have your power supply, your LED strip, it works with white and single colour LED, and your sensor unit. You have then the sensor head itself. This is a small and discreet design. It then has a 1 meter cable, so it's able to have flexible placement wherever it needs to be placed, and has an easy snap fit design into the sensor unit, so it's easy to take in and out. Once you have power to the circuit, your LEDs will turn on. This works by using a short touch in the sensing area to turn on and off the LEDs, and then a long touch in the sensing area can be used to dim the LEDs up and then dim the LEDs down. This has 0 to 100% dimming with a detective distance of up to 5 centimeters. The LEDs will automatically turn off after 30 seconds when the sensitive field detects no movement. So if you hold your hand over the area, it will dim all the way up to 100%, and then again it will dim the LEDs down, and then you can short press for a simple on and off.